Hi guys, Louie here, and welcome back to Acorn Hill. It's Filipino Friday, and for today's edition, I wanted to share with you an ingredient, a root crop, that is mostly Filipino, purely Filipino, and proudly Filipino. It's the ube. Now, what is ube? Ube is a root crop in purple. These are indigenous to the Philippines and maybe in other Southeast Asian countries, but we are known to have used it and popularized it within that part of the world. And it's just lately that it's been discovered. You do have to forgive me for being a little extremely proprietary over here because I want to put that final official trademark to ube. It is Filipino. It has never been any other countries but the Philippines. And we are so proud that many now are jumping on the bandwagon in creating any cooking where ube is involved. Last year, I have put out what I call Ube a Day feature on my Facebook. And I plan on doing that on this channel just to inform people about not just the nutritional value and the unique look of ube, but really for people to understand where ube came from, how ube is properly made, how ube is properly prepared, what ingredient goes best and well with ube, and how we can all enjoy and create this ube generation and this new liking for this very humble, literally humble and from the ground ingredient that we grow in the Philippines. In this video and for this episode, we wanted to thank our friends from New Jersey, Jerry, Gisette, along with their kids Jeremy and Justine, for sending over UBE extract in the mail. This is what I consider liquid gold that I wanted to use for a few of my cooking projects for the channel. Not only is ube used as an actual ingredient, the actual root crop itself, essences and oils and ube flavor are naturally extracted from this root crop. It's like your vanilla extract. Having ube extract along with ube and any other ingredients intensifies the flavor of ube, naturally colors the ingredient and the food item that one prepares. It's a really nice surprise getting it in the mail coming from the Masangkes. So Jerry and Gisette, and along with their kids, Jeremy and Ping, we really appreciate your thoughtfulness and for considering us sending out individual bottles and vials of the essence and the extract. Now for today's Filipino Friday, I'm combining two favorite desserts of Filipinos, cake and flan. For today, I want to share with you an easy recipe, the easiest ever that you can make, of ube flan cake. Today on Filipino Friday, and I hope you enjoy this new offering that we have.